subscribe and click the bell icon so that you never miss an update from my channel.
Guys, I'm back with my new video. I know it's been long since I have uploaded anything on YouTube, but I'm back. So in today's video, I'll be creating this makeup look especially for Eid, because Eid is so near. And if you're the one who do not like so much makeup, difficult eye makeup look or something really gorgeous, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. It's gonna be easy and simple, and this is the final look. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video.
Starting with the primer, this is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. And this primer is so good. I saw so many YouTubers using this in their makeup videos, so I decided to buy this. If you want this, then do not wait, just get this primer. This is so good. It smoothens your skin in such a nice way. I love it. So now I'm using the Strobe cream from Maybelline New York. This actually adds a nice glowy effect to your makeup. If you love dewy effect like me, then you can absolutely go for any strobe cream available in the market, and even you can go for any kind of facial oils which adds a nice glow to your makeup. I'm using the foundation from Maybelline New York. It's the Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, which gives a light to medium coverage, which is pretty nice for festivals, because obviously you would like to wear something comfortable on your face. As you guys can see, I'm blending this foundation out with this damp sponge. Yes, this is my concealer. I love this. This is the Fit Me concealer in the shade 30. I'm using it under my eyes, and I'm using it just to cover some dark spots on my face. Today I won't be contouring my face. I won't be making it very difficult. I just wanted this makeup to be very easy so that you guys can follow it easily. So basically, I always love to keep my brows less bold. I don't want my eyebrows to look so bold and dark, so I always try to keep it as simple as possible. So yes, you guys can see I'm just giving a nice touch up to my eyebrows to make it look quite decent. I'm not filling it up darkly and intensely, and here I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Enhancer. You can see I have created a nice line on my eyelid. So yes, I'm doing it on the other eye. So today I won't be messing up with so many colors because I want to keep it really simple. And yes, I am applying it on my eyelid, and with the help of this flat brush, I'll blend this out on the half of my eyelids. Now I'm adding the same brown kajal on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm just adding it nicely to give it a nice effect, and I'm making it even. I'll share all the links of the products I have used in this video, and even I'll share the links of the products which I would suggest you guys, which will be in an affordable range. If you guys wish, then you can obviously check those out. This is the waterproof mascara from Maybelline. So I'm using a loose powder from Makeup Revolution. This is actually a banana powder and I'm applying it on my under eyes. So you can even use compact if you do not have loose powder. You can go with that, it works. With the help of this brush, I am dusting off the loose powder I applied. As I wanted to keep this video really simple, I didn't use so many makeup brushes. So yes, I'm applying the blush with the help of my finger, which is quite convenient. It's actually easy to apply blush with your fingertips because it's hassle free. You don't mess up with the pigmentation. So this highlighter is actually my favorite. This is the Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is a bit pricey. I'll share the link in the description box, and also I'll share the link of the Swiss Beauty highlighter, which is affordable and it also has different shades and it's perfect for beginners. The pigmentation is also nice. So I'm applying this highlighter on the required portion of my face to get a really nice glow. If you do not have a fan brush, then you can definitely use your fingers to apply highlighter. This lipstick is actually from Reliance Trends. I bought it from the Reliance Trends store. This has a really nice creamy effect. It's not matte, it's absolutely creamy. So I prefer adding loose powder or compact on it and then dust it off with the help of a brush.
Guys enjoyed watching my video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you are interested, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified.